Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. So my name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates where they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Rio Ferdinand will be one of the football legends of Manchester United and one of the pundits with they out there. So Babacon come and make comparison between Bukayo Saka and Phil Foden. So Babacon talk say for him, Osen go take Bukayo Saka any day, anytime ahead of Phil Foden. And one of the arguments now who did better so after that match them play against Manchester United, we see the way Saka display like since I watch Arsenal football, I don't think Saka has ever scored that kind of outside shot when play because the thing too far from my eye. As in the confidence when take play that thing. I need to try him again. You can't hit back. That guy they hot now. So Babacon just say where you check Arsenal setup now. And Saka is very, very important. Like even they fit, nothing do him. His name will be the first names on the list of people who go play. But when you check Man City now, Phil Foden they still of Benjamin these days. I don't know after the World Cup. I don't just know what's happen. The guy don't come command the regular starting shirt. So when Rio Ferdinand come and I end that debate. Because many people see they argue the debate system. All those kind of Manchester and Man City fans, and even those who don't be Man City fans, they like that debate. Say Foden they better than Saka again. But Saka this season does score 7 goals and make 7 assists. What a remarkable and incredible player. The guy they hot like fire. They're very good. So right from that, so Brighton don't place 100 million euros on Moises Caicedo for anybody who feel say they won't come carry him. And you know see that to say Arsenal and Chelsea they interested in signing the player, especially that Chelsea we don't go knock the door. Chelsea don't offer like 55 million pounds, they knock him off. So deserve to say they don't want to sell the player. But if you feel say you did desperate, you really need them, bring 100 million euros come and they will give you the player. Now the same way Benfica said they do Chelsea for Enzo Fernandez. So bless now 120 million. Those ones have say they won't collect. Say they don't want to sell that one. But if you feel say now because they don't see Chelsea as Muguna, say they always inflate price and just know the border. That's why they don't carry the price go up. And as UEFA said don't come clamp down on Chelsea. So you don't talk so you can't spread payments for more than 8 years again and like 8 years what they do for Modric. So now it will be maximum of 5 years. So that kind of scope where they use sign Modric, they're not going to use and sign but this Caicedo again. So they're unfortunate. We're going to see how all this is for Brighton. They're not interested in selling the player. They want to hold on the player. But they see how things will go because after they sell Bissouma, now this Moses Caicedo himself come into the fray. Everybody call the CF. They say Bissouma still there. But that will the language for Benjamin. So that's what it just be. Brighton know how to sign the perfect replacement. Know how to bring people. Those guys they get thinking faculty. Even Ramsdale self don't come outside from media assets where they ask him about the new players where Arsenal sign. So Babacon talk say the first way with the Boston brain self now this Trossard. So once you people don't understand for this Trossard matter, they say Trossard no they come inside Arsenal to come stay for the bench. Say the guy go shock a lot of people. He's coming to disrupt the status quo. So you see all those front three, all those Bukayo Saka, all the Martinelli then. Say the guy go come there, come disrupt that place. Even though the guys safe, if you really go do anyhow. Let's see they go replace her don't they? Say the way him take come into us and come disrupt everywhere, take over Bentley shares, but then again come gas come up for the club. They now waiting Trossard self they come. Say you know see Trossard and somebody will come call it settle for a place on the bench. You know. So the guy will try to prove to the manager say he deserves to start again. Say he will take over either Martinelli wing or he will take over Saka wing again. So he will push them like the competition is very, very good. Monopoly is very bad. So competition will make you will strive to be better than what you're doing again. So now put him fast now. So away from that, so one of our community members, Santos Onyereke, his wife, they do birthday today. So say happy birthday, madam. So we greet you and we wish you all the best things life has to offer. So senior man, I hope say your wife na Arsenal fan, so when I enjoy on day share. Bible 75k says some guys do birthday, make a chop, make a flex, and your wife birthday. So senior man, I greet you now, and get out. I'm also going to hear say Barcelona they plan how they go take sign Marco Asensio from Real Madrid. And this news now, how it is significant to us now. The fact that if they sign that guy now, people like Ferran Torres, people like Dembele, and Rafinha, so all these people they go there available. One of them go there available to move again. So now what way will they see? So I never know because you know say in the past Arsenal be interested in signing Ferran Torres or signing Rafinha, but the talks they don't fight for their place for that place. So anything will make Baka go sign player for Real Madrid, Marco Asensio, because he's going to be a free agent at the end of the summer. I know say Baka now they get financial constraints, so they don't fit sign player as they want. The only free agents will make sense for them. They'll just pay the person salary, the person will join. So we'll just watch for the summer. Many deals they will go happen. So we'll just say everything they go. Even the news we're going to hear now, we say Arsenal they're interested in signing Federico Chiesa of Juventus. But this deal now for me, and they feel say maybe now for the summer. Now you go feel hold because I don't think they sign Federico Chiesa now. I don't think Juve will want to even sell him. And the fact that Juve they like 9th or 10th for the Serie A, where they don't give them 15 points deduction, and they don't get that ginger to play well again. So many people the reason how they would find their square root. And then when they say Manchester United won't make a bid for Vlahovic, no people that place now don't turn to shop right now. Many stars won't find their square root. And Weston McKennie himself, they find he won't come to EPL. So many deals will still happen. Some other watch, but my own be saying I'm not sure we are still going for a winger this January. I think the best thing we will go for now a midfielder, because from the look of things, for the media set itself, I think I can confirm say then they on the lookout for a midfielder, not just a midfielder, any position, any player where they see where we improve the team. So they go sign up. So they are always on the lookout for an upgrade. You get, so they don't just want sign for signing sake. That's what I've understood with this our manager now. So more just the word. But I know say where we need to fill in the gap now midfield, because don't forget that El Neni is injured. You get, so we need to plug in the gap. We're going to see whether we'll perform anything between now till when the window will end. Jamie Carragher don't come outside the talk say in they see Arsenal winning the league this season. So Babako they explain in reasons why in talk so the talk say Arsenal they play very well again. Apart from the points gap, since the gap Man City with 5 points, which one a standing match, they are playing fantastically well. I know say people they expect Man City to hit top gear, go winning streak, 14, 15, 16 matches, you get, but they never kick on, they never start that winning streak. We expect them to hit a winning patch, like nobody say win one, draw one, like all straight to get, but they never do them. And when they go do them, we are in January now, ending of January. Before you know, we enter February. Before you know, now March don't enter April. If Man City attempts to kick on, before you know, Arsenal are going to give them gap maybe 15 points or 10 points. Before you know, they don't win the league like Leicester. So all these things are the things that are on the table. So you don't look everything. And what to bring up this talk now, the fact say from the beginning of the season when they do their own prediction, nobody gave Arsenal a chance. So they ask them a game. Say in hindsight, see the two we don't talk before. Now you still want to stay on what you talk before. I won't change your mind. Carragher change your mind. They'll say more for what you don't see so far now. The Arsenal will carry the league. Now only Gary Neville nice they talk about say Man City will still come winner, but say if we get to choose, say go say okay make Arsenal winner. Well, it is what it is. You know, if we deny us our accolades, we've played fantastically well this season. Our side, Suarez to Fulham on loan is in play. Get Fabrizio Romano come outside and let us know this one. So what's it remain now? I mean they sign the necessary paperwork to get. So Arsenal don't agree Fulham terms. The guy's going to go on loan to Fulham with no obligation to buy and no option to buy. Get just a straight loan deal. So after the 6 months loan, the guy will come back to Arsenal. Then if they want to sell him to buy this summer, it will be very easy to sell him again. Now you're desperate. The guy did desperate to leave to go and play 31. So time not really there inside again. So he's third in the pecking order when it comes to right backs. So I'll never see we'll get multiple competition where they play like that and make up once in a while. The Europa League and Europa League we don't enter round of 16. So round of 16 will be where we want to do trial and error when they play some kind of fringe players. Now men because for round of 16 they enter round of 8. Round of 8 to 4 to 2. Before you know you don't win the competition. So this is not time to play. So we just say everything. I wish you all the best of luck. Our Charles Watt said, don't come outside and let us know, say Arteta, they plan a strong lineup where they go play against City tomorrow for the FA Cup. And at the same time, the City self, they plan to use a very strong lineup against Arsenal for the FA Cup. Like, it's going to be a very nice cracker. We'll just see how we don't, because Arteta say it's going to be a big test because we are playing against the best team in the world in his own opinion. So for him, we wish to play in French for this kind of competition, but even to the challenging friend for the league. So this kind of thing I know affects their own personal relationship, because say Pep will fight for your own team. Pep also expects himself to fight for Arsenal. So we never play Man City this season so far. So this is the first time we will try to test them. So Charles Watt's going to say it will do us a whole lot of good for our momentum to beat them, you get, or maybe draw them, something like do something, maybe if you draw, play penalty or thereabouts. So give a good account of yourself, like psychologically go dey good for the players. Make this way to go happen now. Because normal traditionally Man City always knock us any day, anytime, home and away. Like we even struggle to score. And the same type of bad record we get against Liverpool before this season. They can't come to the Emirates, you can't let them know, give them 3 to let them know somehow this season don't change you. Obi can't be a boy forever now. Obi is not a man. So jungle don't mature, you get, so when they start since they go. I even Noel Whelan said don't come outside call the talk, so Trossard fit help Arsenal win the league. Say the guy they EPL ready. You get, say to say we sign Mudryk, so if for no help us like the way this Trossard help us, because if you sign, I'll call it acclimatization. Say the guy never adapts, you need to give him time. But this one don't need any giving time. He don't play like 3 seasons for the EPL. You understand everything about the EPL. You know how the defender. It's just he's confident for a person to go Anfield, those who had trick beans. You play against Man City, score. You play against Chelsea, score. You play against Arsenal, score. Yeah. So the guys have been score against big teams. And don't forget, for the interview, they interview Trossard, they come and talk, say, for him, that person they say, in they compose in front of goal. Say, if you give him a chance, he will bury him again. I would say, maybe you like the guy. And if this guy can be playing for a Brighton side and be scoring 7 goals, what do you think will happen if he plays regularly for a top side that creates chances are plenty? To score plenty goals now, because the quality of the side you're playing for is going to determine how influential you're going to be in the field of play. So I just there to say, don't join Arsenal. So maybe against Man City tomorrow, if we deploy him full time, you get, we must get a Britain. I would say me I expect, but not just watch. On my other of our senior man, what they call Folex. So Baba just come and say, CHUKS, I better take this 2.5 and go buy like some fuel. May take the run the show. I don't want to say black markets and fuel. Do you want it? So Baba, all those people they send me back. So I have to buy fuel. And sure, God bless all of you. And anyway, wait till they see money to bless us. May God replenish your pockets in Jesus' name, and it shall like them out, boss. About report from Uganda, they let us know, say the police they don't release Arsenal fans with them arrest, about 8 or 12 of them, they don't release them. So this one are good news. I like the fact say they don't release them, but they go about their normal duty again. So maybe that kind of thing not happen again. No. Maybe next time don't do procession, but they go collect police permit too, because anyway they just obey the law of the land. So that's it. About what they just say, Arsenal don't turn down Monaco bid for Sambi Lokonga on loan, so they don't carry the guy on loan. The Arsenal don't turn the bid down, say they don't want him. And maybe that because Elneny don't get injured already, so it's only the best way then gets there. And it will make sense more sign the replacement. Or maybe because this Kivio don't already come, so Kivio self can play in the midfield. So I never know Ateta plan sha. But some people will talk, so why they don't send the guy out on loan, main go develop, because if they ask now, yeah, you know really they play. You get even this little one when go play, they criticize him. So you guys go outside, go play more, develop. People forget that this guy was Anderlecht captain when we signed him. So when it comes to leadership qualities, he did high up there, but just the fact say in the young and youthful exuberance, so he needs to go out, play more and develop, then come back, do what Saliba do what Flo Balogun they do, then go outside, show yourself, then come back, we're gonna give you starting shit. So yeah, Olewa. So my dear football lovers, if you know what yesterday, should check the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click out so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Now get out.